British versus American accent. A lot of people say these wrong. Word 1. Comfortable British, comfortable, faster, dropping some sounds. American, comfortable, soft T and clear syllables. Word 2. Chocolate. British, chocolate, fewer syllables, smoother American. Chocolate, same, but sometimes more crisp. Word 3. Vegetable British, veg-to-ball, dropping the middle syllable. American, veg-to-ball, very similar, but often clearer. Word 4. Wednesday. British, Wednesday, silent D and ness. American, Wednesday, same, commonly misread though. Word 5. February. British, feb-ru-air-e, clear 4 syllables. American, feb-u-air-e, often shortened to 3 syllables. Which one do you say wrong? Comment below. Thank you.